In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the right engine mount in your Kia Optima. Located under the hood on the passenger side of the vehicle, let's get started. Moving under the vehicle, we're going to need access to the bottom of our oil pan because we need to support the engine before we remove the engine mount. If your vehicle is equipped with an underneath shield, you will remove that now. You're going to have a series of 10 millimeters in the front and on the sides. Go ahead and remove those now. Now that we have the under shield out of the way, we're going to go ahead and slide a jack. And all we need to do is put some pressure on the oil pan to hold the engine up. So go ahead and slide your jack. And for this, you want to make sure you use a piece of wood in between it so you don't damage it. Try to get it as center as possible. And all we need to do is put some pressure. Do not lift the engine. That's all we need. Now we can move on to the top. Moving under the hood, we're going to be moving this coolant reservoir out of the way. There's no need to drain it or anything. We just need to remove the two 10 millimeter bolt that holds it in place and just move it out. Using a 10 millimeter socket, go ahead and remove those. Like I mentioned, there's no need to drain the coolant out of it. We just need to get the bolts off and relocate it. Go ahead and pick it up. And just move it out of the way. Make sure that you leave it up straight so it doesn't leak. Now that we have access to our engine mount, we're gonna be removing this engine mount bracket. It's gonna have one 17 millimeter bolt and two 17 millimeter nuts. Go ahead and remove those. You could use a magnet to help you pull the bolt out. Do the same on the nuts. Remove both of them. And use that magnet, remove the nuts. Now we're gonna have one more 17 millimeter nut. Go ahead and remove that. Now that we have those out of the way, go ahead and slide your bracket off. Simply lift up. Now we have access to our engine mount. Go ahead and remove these four 14 millimeter bolts. Using a 14 millimeter socket, go ahead and take those out. Go ahead and slide your mount out of the way. Now you can go ahead and slide the new mount in and line it up with the holes. Go ahead and start the four 14 millimeter bolts by hand. Go ahead and get them bottomed out. And now we're gonna get them torqued to 35 foot-pounds. Now that we have the engine mount torqued down, we're gonna go ahead and slide the bracket on. Line it up with the studs. Depending on your jack, sometimes you might have to go up or down. In this case, it slides up in place. Go ahead and start your bolt. Slide it in. If you need help, you can use the magnet to help you slide it in and line it up. Go ahead and do the same on all three of the nuts. You want to make sure that you start them by hand to avoid any damages. Now we can go ahead and get everything snug. Now we can go ahead and torque these 3 nuts and that 1 bolt to 72 foot-pounds. Now that we have the engine mount in place and the bracket on, we're gonna go ahead and slide our reservoir back in place. Go ahead and line it up with the holes. And reinstall the 2 10mm bolts by hand. And lastly, we're gonna go ahead and put the reservoir hose on this little clip right here. Go ahead and slide it in. Now we can go ahead and remove our jack, slide it out. If your vehicle had a tray, you will go ahead and install it now, and that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.